says that they don't want to get wet gets so wet most.
Who got wet last time?
I don't know. We've been waiting for these people forever. It's a video.
Oh,
guys,
it was like next time
where are we going?
He's gonna put coconut. Where are we going?
What's this ride called again? Big log or big
Vlog.
no
Bigfoot rabbits. The outcome. Screw that. Record me.
She's wet. She's wet. She peed on her pants.
We're walking to the front.
We're gonna go pick them up.
We're going to pick up our family.
Our siblings.
Yeah, look at those lovebirds in the back. That's just gross.
Stop.
Move, Angel!
Oh, not me? Okay.
Not you. Where's the fog at, though? It's this fog alley. There's no fog. Where's the fog at? Where's the fog at, Hannah? It's very, very hot today. I'm like shaking.
What do you want?
What do you want?
There's net. Your mother. Oh my God! Whoa, you're glowing! You too!
Hey, Angel! Angel! You peed your pants!
No, I didn't. He's a chick. He pissed out of his ass. Look at him shake off this wedgie.
Go, 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 Matt, go!
You see that?
We're on the merry-go-round! And it hasn't started yet. Ah, we're gonna go! We're gonna go! Ah! This is so scary. Say hello to my horsey! Hi, horsey! Hey! This is so scary. Matthew and Angel!
What? I can't feel.